This is TWiT.
IKEA says they're going to go heavy into IoT.
Yeah,
is that a
Bjorn's new
standard?
business.
Let us talk about this. Yes.
Is that a standards hell, or if you're a fifth party like that, how do you get in and make everybody happy?
So IKEA has been doing this for a while, and what they've done is created a separate business unit. This isn't that weird, because what I learned when I visited IKEA a couple of years ago is everything's a separate business unit in IKEA. So that's one.
I also learned that Swedish meatballs and lingonberry jam are an amazing combination, contrary to what you'd think.
Yeah, but you can't eat them because they
meatballs are really good.
So they are really good.
Like the corporate IKEA meatballs are way better than the store IKEA meatballs.
Oh, you had the corporate IKEA meatballs.
Yes, I went because they promised me moose meatballs, but apparently it was not hunting season, so they did not have moose in the cafeteria. This was their excuse, and
Probably
I believe
why they were so good.
But still, delicious meatballs. The point here is not meatballs.
They were making, for instance, they were making coffee tables with built-in wireless Qi charging. They've done for a couple of years. They've been doing that. I think that's really cool. Yep. I wish I wish I could get it from Restoration Hardware, though, not IKEA.
Oh, you're so not really.
I don't want to put. I have had flat pack.
Go with room and board. It's nicer than Restoration.
I don't like putting it all together.
I used to when we got married. The first IKEA was in Philadelphia. We drove my little Honda down. We had furnished almost our entire house.
Cheap, yeah.
Out of. Oh, but
I've done that.
I had a great dining room set.
I've done that.
I thought this was so amazing. I said we've got to go to where this happens, and we went to on vacation to Sweden because of IKEA.
Wow,
that's nutty.
No, but I think IKEA has done a lot for the reputation of the Swedes.
I set a place that has a special box of dishes for 20-year-old single people in an apartment. That's like socialism in dishes. I love that.
Yeah.
So we went.
Okay, so on the smart home front,
yes,
with the creation of this business unit, what's going to happen? Since you asked, I will try to answer. IKEA's created, they've done two things. One, they're very focused on creating products that make sense for people, like mainstream consumers. So they do things that are a little different. So like their Trotfeed light bulbs, those will work with their hub and their own wireless protocols, right?
Oh,
so you have to have that.
That doesn't support a standard.
But hold on.
I'm holding.
They do support Google Assistant, Amazon Echo, and for some products, Apple's HomeKit. So what they're doing is they're creating what they feel is an optimal solution for everybody. But if you're really fancy and you want to work outside the box, they're creating links to do so. So that is the strategy.
It's not a completely terrible idea.
It's not. I like the Trot-free bulbs. They're actually, once everything got working like it should, they were actually really good. They're friendly in the sense that you don't have to have an Echo. You don't have to know you're doing a smart home. You can just screw these bulbs in, plug this device in, and boom, you have smart lights. You know, there's a lot of value in that. And they're relatively inexpensive. And they're doing products that people want. And they have a sustainability angle associated with them too.
What's that?
So they don't create a connected product if it doesn't have a shelf life of a certain number of years. So they're not going to do some stupid one-off product.
How about the security angle?
How about the security angle? They've done the pen testing. They're not, nothing's ever
over the air updatable and all of that?
They totally are. Okay. Yes.